Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Alexa privacy settings to reduce data collection. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet. Log into your Amazon account if prompted. Locate the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on the menu icon to reveal additional options. Select settings from the list that appears. Scroll down to find Alexa Privacy. Tap on Alexa Privacy to access privacy options. Here, you'll see a list of features related to data collection. To review voice recordings, tap on Voice Recordings. You can listen to, delete, or manage your voice history here. For real-time control, enable or disable use voice recordings to adjust settings. Return to the Alexa Privacy menu by tapping the back arrow. Next, select Manage Your Voice Data. You can review options for automatic deletion of recordings. Choose how long you'd like to retain recordings, such as 3 months or a year. After making your selections, tap Save Changes. Now, open Manage Your Activity in the Alexa Privacy menu. Here, you can disable voice activation features if desired. Return the main settings page by tapping the back arrow. Select Device Settings to adjust device-specific permissions. Pick the Alexa device you want to modify. Scroll down to Permissions and review settings like location access. Disable any permissions that you feel uncomfortable with. For additional privacy, go back and tap Review Voice History. You can delete individual recordings or clear all at once. Finally, ensure you regularly revisit these settings to stay updated. Your Alexa device will now collect less personal data based on your preferences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.